All right, welcome back, guys. I hope you guys were able to enjoy that last couple videos. I've been extremely busy. Just started working, getting lots of fires and whatnot. I'm like super tired all the time now. But anyways, here we are. We got our connecting rod bearings in, and so let's get this dude put together. Hopefully that's all we're gonna need. I'm sure we'll run into something. But anyways. I'm gonna have a buddy come over. Hopefully Sean can help us out a little bit and get this thing busted out. So let's get her going. And here we are. We got the bottom end on, as I said at the beginning of the video. Yeah, basically what I'm going to do now is throw the timing gear onto the camshaft and then get our timing lined up, and then from there we can get the timing cover on, put the lifters in, put the heads on. Actually, I could probably put the heads on and not worry about the lifters. Anyways, yeah, let's do that. Let's put our cover on, timing cover, heads on, and then go from there. Sweet. Okay, so one thing I just learned for this bottom timing cover gasket to the oil pan is I guess you have to, there's little nubs on there with this goddamn camera. There's these little nubs, and there's actually one on the inside that goes into the block on each side. So that's like totally retarded. Thank you, Chevy, for doing that. Let's keep on going with this thing. Alright, so now that we got these heads on, we got a couple more things we're going to do. I'm going to skip torquing all the head bolts down and whatever. We're going to get these lifters thrown in here, get the intake on, and she should be ready to go. But yeah, since this video is getting kind of long, we're going to try to hurry up with this thing. And yeah, sweet. So here we go. gonna end up calling it right there, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Trying to cut this one kind of short, so yeah, it's gonna be kind of long. But anyways, hope you guys were able to enjoy this video. Next time, we're hopefully gonna be stuffing this guy in there. I got, like I said before, I think we've got our clutch leakage all done. Our PTO's basically done. I got to work on the e-brake a little bit, but yeah, it's looking pretty dang good. Lots of hiccups here and there. I'm sure we will have oil leaks in places at different times, but anyways, yeah, we'll see what happens when we get there. But anyways, right on, guys. Like I said before, I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think. Leave the like or whatever, all that good stuff. Subscribe, comment, do all that cool stuff if you want, of course. But yeah, sweet. We'll catch you in the next one.